Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Lynch with McKinney Every day, we meet people whose failing teeth have made an impact on their lives, socially, professionally, and personally. They suffer a loss of confidence and self-esteem. They're embarrassed to smile. We've heard some say that coworkers thought they were a snob or angry all the time. I wasn't able to enjoy my family photos anymore, a lady told me the other day, just because they couldn't smile. Then we hear about people who can't eat the foods that they love because of their problem teeth or that their teeth are always hurting them. People with failing teeth often live in the shadows, but now all those problems are gone for them. Their transformations have helped them gain back their confidence, their self-esteem. She's never going to miss out on another family photo. She's now enjoying happy hour with her coworkers, and now he can eat those ribs he so loves to barbecue. Whatever your story is, we'd love to help you too. You've already taken the first step by coming to this page. Next, just fill out the questionnaire below and you can set up a free consultation with us. We'll find out if you're a candidate for dental implants and your own life-changing transformation story. And now, we also offer a virtual online consultations where you can talk to us from the safety and privacy of your own home. We want to show you how you can regain your life back. Thanks, and I can't wait to meet you.